Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Competitive firms maximize profit by hiring workers until the marginal revenue product equals the wage. Let's solve this funnel cake problem and find the answer. First, we need to calculate the marginal product of labor for each worker. This is the change in total funnel cakes produced when we add one more person to the staff. Next, multiply that marginal product by the $4 price to find the marginal revenue product. We must compare this value to the $10 wage for every single additional worker. At 6 workers, the marginal revenue product is $12, exceeding the wage. Thus, hiring 6 workers is the profit-maximizing choice for this business. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.